there's lightning, so there's gonna be major thunder in a second. You gotta hear this. You can show me some lightning again. That'd be cool. I'm all for that. Bring it. Bring it. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's so amazing. How could I not have lived in Sedona during monsoon season? Man. You know, this is like the most boring spot right here because it's just all white. Ooh, dragonfly. But that's where the lightning seems to come from. Not over here where it's incredible looking. What is that message? The lightning comes from where it doesn't look like there's anything going on. Look over there where it's beautiful. The charge is over here. Come on, show me. I'm gonna run out of battery. Show yourself to me. Every single day that I lived in Sedona was magical. I've had so many magical experiences already, and I've been here one day. Does that tell you anything? Somebody gave me something today, and she said, may this unlock what your soul wants for you. And I said, but it says Sedona on it. She laughed. She says, well, it doesn't necessarily, it just means that may Sedona bring you the answers, or open the key, or you open the door to your dreams. Maybe, oh, thank you for lightening up the sky right there, right when I turn my phone away. So there should be thunder coming then. So they say, if you see lightning, and you count 1, 2, 3, and that, or yeah, you count 1, 2, 3. That tells you how close it is when you hear the thunder. So if you see the lightning and then you hear the thunder, that means it's coming closer, because that was pretty quick. So if we see lightning again,